Hey everyone, welcome back to BDG Reviews, and now we have the fourth and final review of the Blind Dead series. This is for Night of the Seagulls. This one is interesting for a different reason than the last one. Almost the complete opposite. This movie is, of all the Blind Dead movies, it's really the most cohesively told. It has possibly the best storyline, and everything just works in it. But as a movie, I was bored out of my mind watching this. I really didn't like it. And it's weird when you look back, like the Ghost Galleon, which is this really crappy movie, but I really enjoyed it. And here's this pretty decent movie, and I really don't. I don't get it. I really don't. By all rights, I should like this movie more than the Ghost Galleon. It's, better. The cinematography's better. The acting's better. The storyline makes sense. But I don't know. I just don't like it as much. Again, like with the others, both Spanish and English, like the Ghost Galleon, this one isn't cut, so no time differences in them. It's still worth watching, especially if you get the box set. I wouldn't turn it away, but I don't know. I gotta kind of reverse my ratings of the last one. Technically, I'd give it probably a 9 or a 10 out of 10. In the series, it is, I think, undoubtedly the best of the series. But on a personal level, I give it like a 5. I really did not enjoy this movie. I don't know why. I hate it when I can't put my finger on something. Like, I don't like a movie for this reason, or I don't like a movie for that reason. But this is one I should have liked. But I didn't. I'll just leave it at that. I don't know. See it for yourself. Make up your own minds, right? Yeah, so that's it for now. See you next time.